I think we both warmed up enough. From here on out, the gloves are off. Come at me as hard as you can.
Right.
You're strong, that much I'm aware of. But you have another weakness, and unless you can overcome it, you won't last long in the tournament. And if you lose, our universe won't be far behind. I'm gonna show you your weakness. Told you I was taking the gloves off. What's the matter, Gohan? Is that all you've got? Don't blame me when you black out.
I'm not giving up yet! Piccolo, when did you get so powerful?
Did you really think I was sitting on my hands all this time, while you had your head buried in some textbook? Gohan, it's over. You're strong, but you lack, well, you just might not have the heart of a true warrior. If there's a chance to win, you have to close the deal. It's an old problem. Remember when you fought Majin Buu, after the Elder Kai drew out your power? You were overcome by a different feeling. Arrogance. You had struggled for so long to unlock your potential that when you did, you enjoyed it too much. Instead of using your strength to win, your arrogance left you open to attack. Succumb to that again, and you'll lose no matter how powerful you are. Be a warrior! No matter the opponent, you fight with everything you've got!
All right, Piccolo.